Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from your Phantom wallet to XMO in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets seamlessly, this tutorial is perfect for you. Phantom Wallet is popular for Solana-based tokens, but with the right steps, you can transfer BNB across chains. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Phantom wallet with some BNB in it. Remember, BNB might require a bridge if it's not directly compatible. Also, ensure you have an XMO account created and verified. Security is key, so double-check your wallet and exchange details to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension on your browser. Log in with your password or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets section and locate your BNB. If you don't see it, you might need to add it manually by searching for BNB in the token list. Step 2. Get your XMO wallet address ready. Head over to your XMO account, go to the Deposit section, and select BNB. Copy the provided wallet address. Make sure it's the correct network, like BEP20 for Binance Smart Chain compatibility. Step 3. Back in Phantom Wallet, select the BNB you want to transfer and hit the Send button. Paste the XMO wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the amount, including any network fees, which can vary based on chain congestion. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a transaction preview. Review it carefully before approving. Step 4. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, check your XMO account. It might take a few minutes for the funds to appear, so be patient. If you encounter any errors, like network issues, try again or seek help from support. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and verify addresses to prevent scams. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.